Hello everyone. So welcome to business ethics concept video. So we are very familiar with the word ethics, values, philosophies and principles. So in the present business world, we are experiencing number of unethical issues with respect to the decisions of the business or maybe the functioning of business. So recently we are aware about the Nestle product. The companies claims that nearly I think 60% of the product is unhealthy, it is harmful to the customers. Or some business they will be misleading the customers with their advertisements, or some company they are not showing the real financial statement to the stakeholders. So in this scenario, it will become the moral responsibility of the businessman to follow certain ethical principles. So let us have a discussion on business ethics, its principles, and its importance, and some unethical issues happening in the business. So, first of all, before proceeding to business ethics, so let us have a introductory note on ethics. So, basically, ethics is originated from Greek word that is ethos, means some kind of a culture prevalent in the society. So we can say that it may be based on the moral standards or values. So it's a set of character, conduct, and activities of the people based on the moral principles and the values. So here we should know that what is right and what is wrong in our behavior on the basis of the standard behavior or conduct accepted by the society. So basically when we talk about ethics, honesty will come, truthfulness will come, compassion, sympathy, and the feeling of brotherhoodness. It's called as win-win relationship. So ultimately, we can say that ethics is about voluntarily conforming to what is good, acceptable, desirable behavior without the force of any legal or social obligation. So in a simple word, we can say that it is a branch of knowledge that deals with the moral principles, values, and behavior. So when we speak about values, so values are nothing but the long-lasting beliefs that guides the society's decision and actions towards the variety of situations. So when we are experiencing certain situation, if we are following certain principles and values in our life, so definitely we will be truthful to that particular incident, and we show high moral standard also. So ethics definitely derive from maybe the religion, philosophies, as well as your family teachings, your background, as well as those social values. So within this brief background of ethics, so let us discuss the concept of business ethics. So here we can say that it is an application part of the ethical business in the day-to-day operation of the business to solve the moral issues or to solve some kind of moral dilemmas. So according to Wheeler, business ethics is an art and science for maintaining harmonious relationship with the society, its various groups and institutions, as well as recognizing the moral responsibility for the rightness or wrongness of business conduct. So ultimately, the gist of the definition is the business should apply the ethical principles in their operations. So ultimately, it should protect the interest of all the stakeholders. It may be the shareholders, employees, customers, or the society at large. So one more definition is also given by T.M. Garrett. Business ethics is primarily concerned with the relationship of business goals and techniques to specifically human ends. Means here, above the profit making objective, company should have some kind of social motive to meet the requirement of the society. So now let us briefly discuss about the principles of business ethics. So first and foremost is service should be the first motive. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಶುವಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಎಂಟರ್ಪ್ರೈಸ್ಗೆ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಮೋಟಿವ್ ಒಂದು ಲಾಭವನ್ನು ಗಳಿಸುವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಮುಖ್ಯ ಉದ್ದೇಶವಾಗಿರ್ತದೆ. ಬಟ್ ಆದ್ರೂ ಸಹ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಿಯಾರಿಟಿ ನಾವು ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾಧಾನ್ಯತೆ ಕೊಡುವಂತದ್ದು. ಸೊ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಎಥಿಕ್ಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಫೋಕಸ್ ಆನ್ service should be the priority or service should be the first motive in the place of profit. Second principle is impartiality. Impartiality means there should be no discrimination in the workplace. So all employees should be treated equal without any discrimination like gender or race or caste or creed, whatever. So with respect to the payment of wages or benefits or promotion. So here equal treatment in all the business dealings should be adopted. Next, environmental concern. So business should not harmful to the environment. They should not pollute the environment, as well as the company need to adopt some kind of strategies to recycle the waste, proper utilization of the scarce resources. So they should be eco-friendly in their approach finally. Then fourth one, improving the standard of living of the people by providing employment opportunities as well as providing good quality product to the consumers at a reasonable price. Then promoting the healthy competition in the market, creating win-win relationship in the market. Next, practicing fair business. Maybe with respect to publishing your financial statements, providing goods and services to the customers. So not following any unfair trade practices. Means misleading advertisements, making your food harmful to the customer's health, adulterating the foods. So this will show your unfair trade practices. Next, it should be compliance to the law. Company should be follow the rules regulations made by the government, and trust and honesty should be the utmost priority in all the dealings. So they should build good relation with all the parties involved in the business. Then company should protect the interest of all the stakeholders. So already the stakeholders' interest, the obligation of the company with respect to all the stakeholders already we explained. Then social obligation. So some kind of societal concern is required. Nowadays it is called as corporate social responsibility, CSR, because business is integral part of society. We are taking so many things from society, and it will become our bound responsibility to give something return to the society. So all these are principles should be followed by the company or business house to implement certain ethics in their business. Now next, the another phase of the ethics means unethical business practices. So before going through the importance, so let us briefly discuss, so which are the unethical issues are happening in our business. So first one is black marketing, means especially the companies or firms they are engaging in illegal business. And second one is food adulteration. Food adulteration means actually they are mixing some kind of ingredients in the product to make profit, so that it will be very harmful to the health of the consumers. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಇದನ್ನು ಕಲಬೆರಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ. ಸೊ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಈಗ ಮಾರುಕಟ್ಟೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಗುಣಮಟ್ಟದ ಒಂದು ವಸ್ತುಗಳು ಸಿಗುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ಸೈಡರ್ ಟ್ರೇಡಿಂಗ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ವಿತ್ ರೆಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಟು ಯುವರ್ stock market, especially what will happen, the inside people, especially the employees or the management, in advance they are revealing the financial statements, they are revealing their financial position to the outsiders to make abnormal profit. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಂಪನಿಯವರು ತ್ರೈಮಾಸಿಕ ಒಂದು ಅವರ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕೊಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಆ ಡೇಟ್ ಗಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ಕೆಲವೊಮ್ಮೆ ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯೀಸ್ ನವರು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೀಗೆ ಕಂಪನಿಯ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಉಂಟು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಮೊದಲೇ ಹೊರಗಿನವರಿಗೆ ಹೇಳುವಂತದ್ದು. ಸೊ outsiders they can purchase their company shares in huge quantities and they are making that undue profit. Next, cheating the consumers in weights and measurements or in quality or in packaging, whatever. So nowadays we are experiencing in some online deliveries. Next, the companies are indulging in bribery and corruption to get some advantage from the government and some bureaucrats. Discrimination in the workplace and injustice to the stakeholders' interests. Window dressing means manipulation of your financial statements. You are hiding your actual facts, actual figures. Next, practicing some unfair trade practices, especially misleading the consumers with their advertisements or making some monopoly power in the market. So all these are things coming in the unfair trade practices, engaging fraudulent activities. It is against the law of the land. Then finally, hoarding. Hoarding means illegally you are accumulating the goods so that you are creating the scarcity in the market, scarcity of supply in the market. And whenever I think the commodity price will increases, then you are supplying, then you are making the profit. So all these are some unethical business practices are happening in the corporate world. Then finally, the importance of business ethics or need. So why company need to follow the ethics? First, for their long lasting survival as well as for growth of their business. So there is no doubt that we are experiencing a number of companies in our present scenario. For example, a Tata group of companies or Mahindra and Mahindra or Murugappa group of business. So like that, they're in the business for number of years because utmost importance they are giving to the ethics, values and principles. Then earning goodwill, creating that good image in the market. Next, solving the social problems. So company can uplift the society through their social responsibility initiatives. Decision making. So whenever you take a decision in the interest of employees or consumers or suppliers, so that decision should be based on your ethical principles. Then failure of law. Sometimes here ethics will confront the law and regulation of that particular land. Means sometimes people are giving importance for the values, principles and ethics rather than the rules and regulations. Then when you follow a ethical principles, so definitely it will become a tool of corporate governance. So number of examples we experienced. So we can say that company should be good corporate citizen. So definitely when you follow ethics in your business, it will avoid all the legal problems. Next, you should promote the healthy competition, customer satisfaction, and finally, protecting the stakeholders' interest. So all these are the need as well as the importance of the business ethics. So ultimately, we focused on ethics. It is a set of guidelines based on the values, moral standards. Then the business ethics, its principles, importance, and some unethical issues. Thank you.